Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, where's our little kitty cats? We need to get our little kitty cats. Uh, we are back to bring you guys up to date on what we've done on this office desk build. Tyler's been working his little hiney off, and so have I. All these pieces and parts. So there's a lot to it, but it's okay. We knew it was going to be, didn't we, Laura Lee? All right, so right here, the top is 100% finished. Laurel stained it. Tyler did the conversion varnish, clear coat, and I'm going to show you that product here in a minute, Sherwin-Williams product. The cabinets are ready for the spray booth. We'll do a lacquer primer and lacquer paint. We're excited about that. Fast drying, sands easy. Oh my goodness, it's super cool. We've still got, golly, and I'm trying to do that this afternoon. I've still got the 2 file drawers to make. I've got this pencil drawer to make. Right there is where the shredder's going to go. But then on this end right here, guys, I was trying to explain that to you. This end right here is where the printer is going to pull all the way out this end. And then there's going to be another drawer that comes out this way. It's going to be pretty cool. Nothing like I've ever built before, but it don't matter about that part. But I did want to say one thing. This looks like kind of small, one person, one little this and that. Our parameters, this is all we can do. There's a window right here, and you guys will see when we get out there and install this. Windows here, and there's a door right there. This is all we've got to work with, and we're maximizing this whole corner in this office space, but it is so cool. It's super cool. Oh, let me show you right here. So this is a keyboard pull-out. Look, Laura Lee, right here. This is going to go right here. This will go back. This will pull out keyboard right here. We're excited about that. Hey, but everything, I'm going to set this over here. It paints white. These cabinets paint white. Well, white, it's a little off-white. It matches her island that we did, 3 years ago, whatever. But this is going to look super cool. This stained wood and with these white cabinets. Oh, we got some black, super cool pulls that are going to go on these. We'll show you. So look at this floating shelf. Laurel's got it. It turned out real good. We're happy. Hey guys, you remember the lighting goes here, cord goes right there, recess lighting. That's going to be so cool. Let's see. Let's go ahead and talk about this finish that I put on all of it, all the wood, right? The shelf, the top. Let's start with the stain. What was that? Old Masters? Yes. We like this stain. It's just a good stain. Goes on good, smooth. We like it. Wipes off good. Dries. You still let this dry 24 hours or whatever. It's not like super fast drying. Okay. Water white conversion varnish with a activator, like a hardener, just like an automotive finish. Golly, we love this. This is called a dull rubbed. I've got a medium rubbed effect in there for another project for these same folks. But these two together, hey, hold that thought. And we put in a splash. I'm not going to go into the details. It's 3% to whatever per volume on the hardener. But I want you guys to look at this right here is what came out. Oh, look at there. What came out of my mixing container. That right there is like a piece of plastic. And that's what's on this. It's water resistant. Oh my goodness, that's why we like it so much. She can set, she, whoever uses this desk, can set a sweaty glass or a can of soda, you know what I mean, anything, and it will not leave a white ring. That is so important. Furniture that I've built for us, right?
Yes.
I did the same thing.
Yes.
Because I'm forever setting my ice water on there in that sweaty glass, and I forget to put a coaster on it. I'm just not, anyway. Love that. Look at that right there. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. That take care of that?
It did.
Let's talk about the bracket Tyler made. Oh, this was so much fun. Tyler made the bracket that's going to screw to the wall. It anchors to the wall, but it's what holds this shelf up. Let's go look at it, Ty.
Go check it out.
This apparatus right here, it's relatively simple, but what he had to know, he had to do was simulate if this was the wall, this has to be flat and these have to be square to this, no matter what. And y'all know if it wasn't, the shelf's going to do this, it's going to do that. But check it out. So Tyler, man, he just got through, I don't know, this is all going to cover up. Not that big a deal. How slick and pretty all this is. But he's all about things looking like just right. And he's got all this slicked up, all these little welds. But the main thing, oh, are you going to paint this?
Oh, yeah.
You're going to paint it? Go ahead and paint it black and covers up. But we like it that way, don't we?
Most definitely.
But the main thing was all of these are square to that. And we can just fasten this to the wall. And it's going to hold it up. Hey, show them. Hey, show them your other welding project.
Oh, yeah.
So Tyler made another set. Look, there's two of them, guys. Some handrails for some folks. It's for another job. But check out what Tyler did over here. So we capped these ends right here. Turtling around. Yeah. And so he had to make two of these. And capped those ends, made them all pretty, and painted them. Put them in a spray booth and painted them. Yep. Isn't that pretty? Hey, and that was on his first day of learning how to weld. And so that is so cool. Hey, Tyler, tell me if I'm wrong. He's excited about now. He knows if he's got a little welding project, something he wants to do for himself. He's got a Harley, so there's no telling. He'll probably build his own motorcycle trailer someday. But see, now he knows he can do it. And knows he can paint it, make it look factory. Oh my gosh, it's super cool. Hey, but right now, hey Tyler, show them how this bracket works in that floating shelf.
Oh, yeah. I'd love to. Yeah, this is going to be pretty sweet when it goes in.
Now, I think I've never bought a bracket and a shelf ever, but I think, I just don't. I think if you buy this is kind of what it looks like. Maybe if you buy the kit, I don't even know what it looks like. This is what I thought was super cool on this one. We've got a video on how we put dowels in a wall, don't we?
Yes.
To hang a floating shelf. But we wanted to try this. One that screws with some aggressive screws to the wall, and it just slides over. Now, that hole, yeah, it's in the right end and everything. So, guys, this is going to be interesting. So this has got a light in it, right? It's got a wire that comes out of here, drops down the wall, and comes into the desk, and then plugs in. And I think it's going to take a minute to pull all this off, fishing the little wire and all this fully remodeled house, remodeled room, fresh sheetrock, fresh paint, all the things, right? We're going to try not to have to do any sheetrock work. We don't want that. Hey, let's show them something else Tyler's been working on. These drawer fronts. Guys, I don't know if I mentioned, shaker style is very trendy, very popular. It's what's in their house. We built their kitchen cabinets, and that's the style we used, the shaker style. And Tyler built them a couple of days ago. Let's go up here and let's look at those real quick. So this is all of the fronts, different sizes. There was only 2, wasn't it, that were the same size? Ooh,
Yeah.
all those different pieces and parts are all different. It don't matter, guys. It's fine. But this is what it looks like. It's a 5-piece deal. Tyler made all of this. I don't know. You made some of these. I made some. It doesn't matter who made what. But he cuts these over here on the miter saw, and then he goes to the shaper and he machines them over there. We're going to take you over there here in a minute. But I oversize these. Can you get a close-up? See how that's sticking up? Sticking up. That's, I oversize them, and then I trim them down on my slide saw right here. I put them here, and I dial it in and cut them all just like I need them. Works like a champ. Tyler, let's go over here and look at these. One's a router table, and then the other 2 are shapers, right?
Yep.
So let's start. Oh, well, we can do this right here. This little, come around on this side, Laura Lee. This is the business end over here. So this, well, if I had I wonder if I've got a piece. Ooh, it's raggedy looking. But anyway, guys, you guys will get it. It don't matter. I don't have. Anyway, so I'll run through here. I've got this set up. This is kind of just a dedicated router table. But I cut that with this, and this is what goes in the doors. And it works great. It's super easy. Super easy. And then over here, Tyler does his coping on the cope ends first on this shaper, and then he does, which is the
Gives you
groove.
this right here.
Yeah, that's what it ends up looking like. So if that's the groove end, no, excuse me, the tongue end of how these go together, these shaker door drawer fronts, and then that's the groove end. He runs everything he needs to through here, and then runs every piece through that one. Took you, what, 30 minutes to run all those pieces? No big deal, was it?
No.
And it didn't take us long to make our little panels. Once we figured out the size, it's kind of a little bit tricky, but not bad. It's not bad. All right, Tyler, that brings everybody up to speed on where we're at on this desk build. Guys, we've got so much to do. Woo-wee, we got to get out of the shop. We got a lot of shop work. We don't want to be full-time in the shop, do we, Tyler? We got a ton of work out and about, and we're excited. Oh, we got a bridge to build.
Sure enough.
Oh, that's going to be fun. What is this right here? Hello. We got we got a bridge to build. That's going to be so much fun, guys. We'll take you along. We get to take the tractor out there, dig some holes, set some bridge beams that we're going to make that are curved. Well, it's going to be fun.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't tell y'all about the outdoor kitchen job we got coming up. Oh my gosh, we'll take y'all along for that whole build, and it's going to be so much fun. A lot of stone work. A lot of stone. We hadn't done a stone. Laura, have we done a video on stone, laying stone?
No.
We've laid a lot of stone, but
Got some we could post up.
yeah, I got you. I got you. But a lot of stone. Tyler will be doing a ton of it. I'm hoping I get to sit in the shade, and he's laying stone. Whoo! It's going to be hot over there.
They've got a pool, maybe they'll let us jump.
Oh, the pool. I forgot about that. Bring our swimsuits.
For sure.
Ooh, we're going to have to work on them on that one.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Drawers to build. We're going to clear coat those, guys. We're going to just clear coat those. We may or may not get some primer on these cabinets. I'm going to bring y'all along for that. It won't be a lot of talking. I'll have a respirator on. Tyler will have a respirator on. We're going to be in there spraying this stuff. But it's, you guys will see. A lot of sanding, hand sanding on all that stuff. But it'll be relatively fast little deal. But we'll bring y'all along for that too. That'll be tomorrow. But today, the rest of the day, we're going to get some drawers built. Got our pull out. We got that pull out. Another drawer, another drawer. Okay. We got to get busy. So guys, we will probably see you in the spray booth in the morning, if I had to guess. Right?
See y'all then.
Is that going to be it? All right, guys. See y'all.